Alright guys, it's Mysterious Granny with your answer to the airplane riddle. You guys had a lot of good guesses. I mean a lot. But, I'm sorry to say, only 2 people got it right. Which was Craig Buckley and Deanna Perez. And they seem to get them right every time. So I think they're Googling these answers. What do you all think? It's all in fun and games anyways. But I appreciate you guys trying. It's been fun. I liked your answers. I really liked your guesses this time. I mean, they were funny. They were really funny. But you gotta think about this. If an airplane crashes on the border of Kentucky and Ohio, where do you bury the dead survivors? That was your hint. Dead survivors. Well, they can't be dead because they're survivors, right? So I said, there's always a hint in a riddle. Always. You got to take your time. You got to think about it. Rack your brain. Try to figure out what the answer to it is. Like I said, I appreciate everybody that took a guess at it. And again, it was Craig Buckley and Deanna Perez that got the answer right. Like I said, they're probably Googling the answers. I'm kidding. I don't know how they know the answers. Using those hints, I guess. So, let me show you May and Toby. Here goes May. There's Tobe. May and Toby, my best friends. So congratulations again to Craig Buckley and Deanna Perez. Way to go, guys. You're on top of your game. This is Mysterious Granny. I'm out of here. Peace out.